how to customize app's name size in Android mobile. So hello guys, in this quick video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So if you are facing that problem like your apps icon or names are very small, so how you guys can make it bigger like the names of these apps? For that you simply go to settings. Now here you guys will simply search for wallpaper style. Like here you guys can see wallpaper style. If you cannot see here, you guys can simply search for that like style. Once I search for style here, you guys can see wallpaper style. So waiting on that. Once we click here, you guys will see first wallpaper. It's always on display font icons. So simply click on icons. Once we click on icons here, you guys simply scroll. Now here you guys can see icons. So here you guys can adjust the icon size, like how much bigger you want these icons. Also, when we scroll here, you guys can see app names also sides. So for example, I want to make it bigger. Here you guys can make it bigger. For example, extra large. Large, medium is up on you. Once you select that size, after that, click on apply. Once I click on apply, that's it. It will be applied and my S size will be bigger. Let's make it bigger. For example, that was app name and I click on applying. Like here you guys can see me to Google Assistant CapCut. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.